Under moon and stars so bright, raise the cup in ancient rites. Homemade brew that warms the night, echoes of our ancestors' might. In the village all unite, sipping stories deep inside. Liquid golden jars so tight, honoring where spirits hide. Drink to laughter, drink to tears, celebrating all these years. Bonds of family, bonds so dear, memories in every cheer. From the fields we gather joy, corn and rice that we employ, mixing cultures to enjoy. Heritage we can't destroy. Together we stand and pour, traditions we can't ignore. Every sip now means much more, living life for